In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email signature in Pipedrive. If you're using Pipedrive as your CRM of choice, staying organized and having consistent communication is key. A good email signature not only adds professionalism to your correspondence, but also provides important contact information at a glance. So, if you're ready to customize your email signature, let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Pipedrive's website. Once there, look for the login option, which is usually prominently displayed on the main page. Click on it and proceed to enter your credentials to log into your account. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll need to do so first to follow along with these steps. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Pipedrive homepage. From here, your next stop is your profile settings. You typically can find this within the top menu bar where your account name is displayed. Clicking on your profile will bring up several options related to your account. In the Profile section, look for an option labeled as Personal Preferences. These settings allow you to customize various aspects of your Pipedrive experience, tailoring it to fit your specific needs. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options to make the most of the platform. Now, within Personal Preferences, you'll want to focus on the email sync settings. This is where all things email-related are managed, including syncing your email account and, of course, managing signatures. Click on Email Sync to access these options. Once you've entered the email sync settings, there's a tab or link for signatures. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage your email signatures. This is where you'll have the opportunity to add, edit, or delete signatures as you see fit. Now, if you're looking to create a new signature, you'll want to click on Add Signature. This will open up a text editor where you can type out your desired signature. Make sure to include key details such as your name, position, contact number, and any other relevant information. If you want to add some flair, Pipedrive often allows for formatting options such as bold, italics, and even adding images or hyperlinks to your signature. After crafting your perfect email signature, don't forget to save your changes. By doing so, you'll ensure that this new signature is automatically applied to any future emails you send from Pipedrive. And that's it! In just a few steps, you've successfully updated your email signature in Pipedrive, contributing to a more polished and professional communication style. Be sure to revisit this process anytime your contact information changes or when you feel like refreshing your signature. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those emails looking sharp.